Today I am going to teach you how to install application using WinGet application. Actually, you can install and uninstall different types of packages in Windows 11 using the WinGet application. To install the application, just head over to the Windows App Store and download Apps Installer. Just type here Apps App Installer. I have already downloaded the application, that is why it will show it will it will not show the it will okay, this product is already installed, so this tagline is available, that is why. All you need is to down get the application, press get the application button, and it will automatically download the application on your system. Once you install the application, just launch the PowerShell from the search option in Windows 11. Now type winget help to get different types of information relating to the winget command. Here you can find the install, show, source, search, list, upgrade, uninstall, hash, validate, settings, features, export, import. You can use all these extensions along with the WinGet application to get different types of outputs. Now I am going to install Adobe Acrobat Reader with WinGet application. First of all, search for the application. Okay, this is now available. So Adobe Acrobat Reader DC64 bit, and under the ID you can get the package name, which is Adobe Acrobat Reader 64 bit. Just type winget install Adobe Acrobat Reader 64 bit, the package ID. This is a very big file, that is why I am going to skip this file's installation and try to find a smaller package. Just press Ctrl C to skip this file installation. WinGet search and sort. It will show the list of the available package for installation, which you can use to use WinGet to install the packages. This is a very big list. Just press Ctrl C to skip the package showing. I'm going to install the Klite basic package. Now type winget install and enter the ID for Klite. Sorry. First of all, search for the Klite package ID. Yes, it is codec guide.k dash klite light codec pack.basic. So I am going to install the basic package. Just type winget install codec guide.k dash light codec pack.basic. It will take some time to install. The installation will be done automatically. So package installation is now on. Successfully installed the application. Now I'm going to check the application. This is the available codec trick tool, available codec package. The application has been successfully installed in my system, and now I'm going to uninstall the application using the WinGet command. All you need to type the WinGet uninstall and enter the application package ID. For more information about the installation and uninstall, just type WinGet install minus help or WinGet uninstall minus help. PowerShell will show a bunch of available options which you can use along with the WinGet command to successfully generate different types of output. Now I am going to uninstall the codec package using the WinGet command. Just type WinGet uninstall and enter the codec ID, package ID, which is codec codecpack.basic. This way you can uninstall and install and uninstall any application in Windows 11 using the WinGet command prompt. Sorry, command in the Windows PowerShell command prompt. Now the uninstallation is done, And same way you can install and uninstall any application available under the WinGet installation list. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.